Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I will be talking about XAU USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 2nd to 6th February 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, let's talk about the closing first. So here, 8.93% negative move. 4890.29 was the closing on Friday in gold. Currently, I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a big upper body, a small body with a big upper wick and a small lower wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 63.44 level, which is indicating as a sideways momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our one-day chart. So let's open a one-day chart over here. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even you can contact me directly with the help of the link given in the description, where you will get the packages that how you can learn from me with a one-on-one session. I only take one-on-one session on Saturdays and Sundays. So you can contact me for that. I will teach you how to trade in any market that you want with the help of the technical analysis. So do contact me for that as well. So now let's talk about the closing first. So here I have marked some support and resistance zone. So you can also mark those levels in your chart as well. Currently, if I talk about the closing, 48.90 is the closing. Direct support is 48.35. Direct resistance is 48.95. After direct support, there is a support of 4800 and then 4750. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4940 and then 5000. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, I have shared a discount coupon code from 10 to 30%. You can get around these discounts on any challenge that you buy from those prop firm. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So now, let's talk about my opinion in gold USD pair for this week or XAU USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive momentum in this range, that is 4940 to 5000. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range for this week. But if you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once 48.35 gets breached and a 1 day or a 4 hour candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till 4800. Even you can go for a short till 4750, which will be a better position if you take as an intraday trade as well. Overall, for the coming week, I'm expecting a positive momentum in this range, a positive closing in this range. But if I got an opportunity for doing any short trade for intra, then I will check these levels and then accordingly make my decision. Overall, my expectations is positive for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.